All right, our soup has been simmering covered for 1 hour, and you want to check the doneness. Make sure the lentils are tender. You want them to be tender and soft. Now, you can serve the soup just like this, or a nice way to serve it is first remove your bay leaf. And if you just partially blend it, you can do that by removing some and putting it into a blender or a food processor. Or if you have one of these handy blender mixer things, you can just, you don't want to blend it all up unless you want to have a pureed soup. But just to give it like a little more body, and but still keep that nice chunky texture, you'll just use one of these to just blend it a little bit. Now see the difference in the texture. It's still, you can still see whole lentils, but there's a little bit more, you know, a little more starchiness to it. Oh, here's another bay leaf. We'll take that out and we'll serve it up. Steaming hot and delicious lentil soup.